Joining us now is India Today's Sunil G. Bhatt. Sunil, do tell us, the situation across Jammu is not good. But now the SDRF and the army have pressed into action. We are seeing some visuals of rescue as well. Do tell us what's happening on the ground.
Heavy downpour has wreaked havoc in many parts of Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in Jammu region. It has been raining cats and dogs here in Jammu region for last more than 12 hours, and that is why there is flood-like situation in most parts in Jammu city. Rivers are flowing over the danger mark. Right now I am in the parking lot of Jammu railway station, and behind me you can see that vehicles have been submerged here due to the flood waters that have entered the parking space here at the Jammu railway station, and situation is very grim across the length and breadth of Jammu region. Rivers, whether it's Tavi river in Jammu city, whether it's Uj river in Kathua district, water flow has increased, water level has increased, and the swollen waters have even entered the residential areas, and it has created a situation which is looking very dangerous at this time, because unprecedented rains are being witnessed in Jammu city. As per our sources, these kind of rains have been witnessed after a long time, and this has created havoc in many parts of Jammu region. Tavi river continues to flow near the danger mark, and as far as the residential areas are concerned, flood water has entered there. Streets have been inundated, and look at the parking space of Jammu railway station. It has been completely flooded. Vehicles have been submerged in the flood waters, and people are facing harrowing time, whether it's the residents of Jammu city or the people who are traveling. There have been landslides and shooting stones at many places on Jammu-Srinagar National Highway, on Jammu-Doda Highway, and other important roads and highways, and that is why Jammu-Srinagar National Highway has been shut. Vehicular movement has stopped because of shooting stones and landslides. Many bridges have been washed away. There has been a cloudburst incident in Doda district of Jammu region, and as a result of this there have been flash floods in Doda, in Bhadrawa and other adjoining areas, and many houses have been washed away. 4 people have been killed in these floods that have occurred in different parts of Jammu and Kashmir. In Kathua district,